The Nubia Z60 Ultra back camera module designed as steel, the spotlight, the lens diffuse conviction with a captivating array of shapes. The 18mm 50 megapixel primary camera lens is encircled by a clustered circle flanked by an oval lens for 85mm 64 megapixel ultra wide angle photography, and a rectangular bump on the right side hosts a 35mm 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with a maximum wide angle range of 112 degrees. All lenses are equipped with dual OIS stabilization system to provide an excellent wide shooting experience. Looking at the back cover, it uses AG-Flash glass with a million of macron level crystal structure covering the back cover, giving the phone a metallic texture like a liquid silver. Turning to the middle frame power, you can see that this time it still uses a caliber right angle middle frame. The power button has been changed to the right. The front of the device boasts a 5th generation under display camera full screen, enhancing the overall and minimizing screen bezels. Nubia Z60 Ultra equipped with world-leading Q9 Plus over 6.8 inches Full HD Plus display panel technology. At the same time, it also has a UDC Ultra independent display chip, 2.8M Fuse 400 density pixel technology, and 6000 mAh large capacity battery, which is 20% increase in capacity compared to the previous generation, and support 18-watt fast charging. He comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 16GB of RAM, LPDDR R5X, and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Other specifications including NFC, infrared remote control, dual speaker, X motor, under-screen fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.1, and IP68 dustproof and waterproof under function. As for the software, it is iOS based Android 14 interface. With its sleek design, exceptional camera capability, and powerful hardware, the Nubia Z60 Ultra is poised to make a significant impact in the smartphone market.